So in this class, I wanted to try something a little different. I wanted to take you on a virtual design ride-along, as if you're here with me in the studio, and I'm going to review one of my favorite projects and actually take you through the process from start to finish behind the scenes. Now, what will likely make this class different to others like it is the scope and the scale that I tend to work at. And if you're new to brand identity design, or perhaps you're just considering a career in this in future, well, this is going to be like virtual work experience. It's going to give you a really valuable look behind the scenes. Or if you're further along, or even a veteran brand identity designer, well, I'm sure like me, you really enjoy comparing your own workflow to others and seeing if you can pick up some tips, some insights along the way. Hey, my name is Jason Miller. I'm a freelance graphic designer and brand identity expert from London. Although I'm London based, I've had the privilege of working with clients from all over the world, from New York to Hong Kong. I've been freelancing for over 12 years now, but the last 7 years with this as my sole source of income. Now, the project I've chosen to walk you through in this class is a full brand identity project for the Luxury Property Show. I recently realised I now get over 1 million views a month on my Pinterest account. And the pins I've shared showcasing branding for the Luxury Property Show are some of the most widely viewed, and I get asked a lot of questions about how I developed this particular project. So I thought this would be a great project to run through as an example. So this is just the trailer. If you want to watch the full class, the good news is you don't have to pay anything. You can go onto Skillshare, the link is in the description, and you'll get anything from 2 weeks to a month, depends on the promotion, to enjoy this class for free. So use the link in the description, jump over to Skillshare, and I hope you enjoy the class.